It's understandable to seek clarity when you notice unexpected charges. Rocket Lawyer, a popular online legal service, operates on a subscription-based model for many of its offerings. This means that the charges you are seeing are likely related to a subscription you have previously initiated. Here's a breakdown of the typical process that leads to these charges. Initial sign-up and trial periods. Many users begin their interaction with Rocket Lawyer by signing up for a free trial to explore their services. These trials often require you to provide your credit card information up front. This is a standard practice to ensure a seamless transition to a paid subscription if you decide to continue using the platform after the trial period ends. Subscription agreement. When you sign up for a trial or a direct subscription, you agree to their terms of service, which clearly outline the billing cycle and the cost of the subscription. This agreement typically specifies the duration of the trial, e.g., 7 days, 30 days, and what happens once the trial concludes, usually an automatic conversion to a paid monthly or annual subscription. Automatic billing. Once the free trial period expires, or if you opted directly for a paid subscription, Rocket Lawyer will automatically charge the payment method you provided. This is a recurring charge that will continue based on your chosen subscription plan, monthly or annual, until you actively cancel your subscription. Services covered by subscription. The subscription fee grants you access to a range of legal services, which can include document creation, attorney consultations, and other legal resources, depending on your specific plan. In essence, the charges you are seeing are almost certainly because you signed up for a Rocket Lawyer subscription, either directly or after a free trial period, and the automatic billing cycle has commenced. Tip: review your email inbox for confirmation emails from Rocket Lawyer. These emails, often sent upon initial sign-up and before a trial period ends, typically contain crucial information about your subscription, including the start date, billing frequency, and instructions on how to cancel. Checking these emails is the quickest way to confirm your subscription status and understand the charges.